Hey there! Are you ready to learn about something super important? Something that gives you energy to play, run, and have fun? Let's talk about carbohydrates. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates, or carbs for short, are the body's fuel. They give us the energy we need to move, think, and grow. Think of them like the gasoline for a car. Without carbs, our body runs out of energy. Where do we find carbs? Carbs are found in so many yummy foods. Bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, fruits, and even vegetables have carbs. But wait! Did you know there are two types of carbohydrates? Simple and complex carbs. Simple carbs are, like candy, soda, and sugary snacks. These give you a quick burst of energy but don't last long. Then we have complex carbs, like whole grains, beans, and veggies. These give you long-lasting energy and keep you feeling full for longer. Why are carbohydrates important? Carbohydrates help us to run and play like a superhero, think and focus in school, stay strong and healthy. Now, let's do the carbohydrate dance. Touch your toes if you like rice. Wiggle if you love fruits. Stretch up high if you eat bread. Jump if you love pasta. Healthy carb choices. Not all carbs are the same. Choose more of whole grains, fruits, and veggies instead of having too much sugar and candy. That way, you'll have energy that lasts all day long. Great job, everyone! Now you know all about carbohydrates, the super energy food. Carbs give us energy. Found in bread, rice, pasta, fruits, and veggies. Choose healthy carbs for long-lasting power. Now tell us in the comments, what's your favorite carbohydrate food? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fun learning videos. Bye for now.